Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm the SIM is seated and note signal bars because physical contact and reception matter. Restart the phone, then toggle airplane mode to force a fresh handshake with the tower. This often fixes transient routing. Once done, close background apps and pause large syncs so your radio has full bandwidth. Make sure updates aren't downloading in the background and disable VPNs temporarily since they can add latency. Now tweak how your phone connects. Go to mobile network settings and lock to LTE or 5G if the phone keeps bouncing to weak 3G. You get more consistent speed that way. Next, check the APN for wrong proxies or stale values. Correct APNs let your device use full carrier throughput. Once done, turn off low data mode and battery restrictions that throttle background transfers because they reduce throughput even when you expect full speed. Finish with verification and durable fixes. Run a speed test to capture Mbps and latency so you know the baseline before further changes. Update your phone's firmware and carrier settings, then reboot. Modem firmware updates can significantly improve throughput. If speeds remain poor, try a network settings reset to clear cached bad configs. If that still fails, contact your carrier to check for local tower congestion or provisioning limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.